Choose a method to earn online. Pick what suits you. 1. Freelancing. Offer your services to clients online. Best for writers, designers, developers, marketers, video editors, etc. People who like working independently on projects. How to start. Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Offer small gigs like blog writing, logo design, or video editing. Build a portfolio. You can do free work at first or create mock samples. Potential $5 to $1,000 plus per project depending on skill level and experience. 2. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, blog, or Instagram page. Best for creative people who enjoy sharing ideas, teaching, or entertaining those comfortable on camera or writing. How to start. Pick a niche you care about: fitness, finance, gaming, etc. Post consistently. Start with a phone and free tools. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Potential slow start but high ceiling: $0 to full-time income. 3. Selling products. E-commerce or dropshipping. Sell physical or digital products online. Best for people interested in marketing, design, or entrepreneurship, willing to learn. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. How to start. Choose a product type: handmade, print on demand, dropship. Set up an online store using Shopify or Etsy. Promote through social media or paid ads. Potential $100,000 plus month depending on demand and scale. For online teaching or coaching. Teach what you know to others. Best for people with experience or deep knowledge in a subject. Those who enjoy helping others learn. How to start. Record lessons using tools like Loom, Zoom, or a webcam. Publish on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. You can also offer live one-on-one sessions via SuperProf or Reply. Potential $22 hour or more depending on niche. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn commissions. Best for bloggers, YouTubers, or social media users. People who enjoy writing reviews, creating tutorials, or recommending tools. How to start. Join affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, etc. Share affiliate links on your website, YouTube, or social media. Earn every time someone buys through your link. Potential $51,000 plus month depending on traffic and niche. Not sure which to pick? Here's a quick decision guide. If you are try this method: good at writing or design or coding, freelancing, love talking or teaching, content creation, teaching, interested in products or trends, e-commerce, don't want to create products, affiliate marketing.